Hi there and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be removing mould from a shower. As you can see, it's going to be quite a challenge with this one. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to look out for more videos. So this shower has got pretty bad. Look at the mould. What we need is thick bleach. You can purchase this from any supermarket or hardware store. First off, get some toilet roll or kitchen towel. You don't need much, just enough to cover the specific bit of mould that you're trying to remove. Twist the toilet roll around to make a long, thin piece. And place that next to the mould. Then add the bleach to where the mould is. And then you push the toilet roll against the mould. Basically, this is just to keep the bleach on the mould for a period of time. Now really, if you've got gloves, use protective gloves because the bleach is not particularly nice on your hands. If you don't have gloves, remember to wash your hands immediately after. Now I'm working my way round the shower. Now doing this several times. Toilet roll down and then add the bleach. Push the toilet roll up against the mould so that the bleach is right on the mould we're trying to remove. Now continue to do this on all of the mould around the shower, especially in the corners. Tends to always attract mould, as you can see here. Now once you've done this, cover all of the mould and it's 5:30 on the 4th. Just give it about 12 hours. And then as you can see, following day about 8 AM, I started to remove the toilet roll. Now working my way around the shower, let's take it off. As you can see, a massive improvement. The bleach has worked its magic, removing the mould. Looking at this, I would say 98% successful. As you can see, there's some tiny spots. So what you can do is add some more bleach and leave it for another 12 hours to see if that will get rid of it. In this case, I put it on for a few more hours. There's Hank the cat helping me out. As you can see, did a fantastic job. A real improvement, nearly as good as new. This saves having to relay the silicone. So, hope this helped. Give it a go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and look out for more videos coming soon.